Hi, I'm Guardian, and today we're going to talk about cyberbullying. This means sending, posting, or sharing negative or harmful content about someone over and over again.
Remember Cyborg? He represents cyberbullying and is up to no good.
When you share harmful things through technology, it can stay on the internet for a very long time. That's why we should always stop and think before we post or share anything online. If someone says or does something mean online, don't fight back. Tell a trusted adult right away. Even superheroes need backup sometimes. Asking for help is one of the bravest things you can do. Cyberbullying can follow you wherever you go, whether it's at school or at home. This is why we say kind things to each other, because kind words can make someone's day better, wherever they are at. Remember, it's important to put your phones and tablets down and spend time outside with your friends. That's where real fun begins.